Hello friends, in this lecture we will see how to add cut pattern and how to add boundary drive method. So I am selecting this contour area and my tool is this ball mill, finishing operation and workpiece is my geometry. And see here we have all the options which are available in area milling. Now go to option and click here from customize dialog box. I want to add this drive method, so click add and move it down and add this to this containment. Okay, now it is in containment. Drive method is there. Okay, now I will find this drive method in main tab here they see drive method is this area milling. So these are the area milling option. I want to change it to spiral, so change it to spiral. Center is this and the radius is 50. If you want to see the preview, see this is the preview area which are under the selection. It will generate the toolpath toward that portion only, so I'm selecting as 30. A step over is 50, no problem. Now from the geometry my workpiece is this and cut area is this upper portion. Click OK. Now generate. Okay, toolpath will generate and see this. This is spiral method. Okay, again okay. Now I want to add the another one, so just right click and copy and paste inside this workpiece. Double click over it and from the main I'm changing the cut pattern, so change it to boundary and select here. My boundary is curve, it's a close curve. Okay, okay, and if you will see, suppose it is zigzag, no problem, and step over is 2.5 and preview. Generate. So this toolpath is not visible, so I am changing the shading mode and my plane is automatic, that's why it is not visible. So I am going to change this plane from automatic to user defined. From here to change it up to the top. Okay, okay, and my pattern is zigzag. Okay, generate. See, zigzag pattern is there. Now I want to change this pattern from zigzag to concentric zigzag. Center automatically it will detect. Invert from outside to invert. Step over is 2.5. Generate. concentric zigzag. Center, see, it is centric. Concentric, all the patterns are concentric. Add it. I want to change it radial zigzag. Automatic center and generate. Verify. Play. Okay. So if we want to shift the center, so we can shift the center. Okay, now it is 5 mm in X direction. Generate it. See, center is now 5 mm away. And zigzag, jig with contour, we have to select contour, concentric, center, concentric, point, cut pattern automatically, automatic pattern center, inward direction, and okay. See, this outside is according to the boundary. It is in concentric, but the boundary is as per the this contour is as per the boundary. Okay, so we have seen this option. Offset, I want 5 boundary offset and generate it. My toolpath will offset. Now it is offset. Okay, add it. I want to take as -2. Okay, I'm going to change this pattern to zigzag and increase it a little bit more. So I have selected 5. Okay, it is going, it is trying to go outside, but material is not there. My cut area is not there, so it is generated like this. Okay, it will work perfectly if you use positive value, then it will generate. Okay, 2 mm from all side, and okay.